Hello, and welcome to week 8 of our young adult literature course. I wanted to check in with you and make sure that everyone's on the right track. My jury duty is over for this week, so my office hours will be back to normal. So if you have any questions, please let me know. So this week is October 8th through the 14th, and we're going to start talking about book clubs. A lot of you have already started these book clubs as for your assignment. The articles, though, will probably give you some more information, hopefully, and so that's kind of their focus. You do have your science fiction book discussion that will be due. Your initial post is due by Wednesday the 10th, and your responses are due by Sunday the 14th. Remember, you should have at least 6 posts, including your initial post, and always include an interpretive question, which you guys have been doing a fabulous job this week with the fantasy. Your interpretive questions were really good. So keep going with that. And also do not forget to be working on your note cards as you go along. Please do not save those to the very end, because that would be a lot of work in a short amount of time. So if you do them just as you go, I think that'd be very helpful for you. So let's go ahead and look at our module for this week. Scrolling down. You do not have a chapter reading this week. You do have 5 different articles, however, so make sure that you read all 5 of these articles, and you will be using them for your reading response number 4, which is about book clubs. Let's see, and I talked about here, if you have not already recruited students for your book club, you need to be doing that. Also, you need to be choosing a book. I've talked to several of you and talking about what books to choose, and that's a big decision. And also recruiting of students for your book club. Remember, they do have to be in grades 6 through 12. You do need to have at least 8 to start off with. Go ahead and start maybe meeting with them and having them beginning reading the book. So that will take several weeks to complete. It's due on November 28th, and that just gives you about 7 weeks left. So go ahead and start thinking about that, because that will be some work in addition to your normal assignments that are due. Let's go ahead and look at the reading response number 4 in your assignments tab. Right here. It's over book discussions. Just answer the questions. What's the benefit of discussing books with your students? What have you learned from these articles that will help you with your own book discussion group? And be sure to reference the articles. Make sure that you are using proper in-text citation when you do that, APA format. If you do not have the 6th edition APA manual, you can also use websites on the internet. OWL at Purdue is a good one that I often refer to for just quick reference. So if you want to do that, or if you have questions about your in-text APA citation, please let me know, and I will help you with that as much as I can. I think that is all for this week. Be sure to read all of my feedback that I'm giving you on your discussion boards or assignments, and hopefully you're seeing it, whether it's in your paper or it's in the grade. There's 2 different places. It also, if I use a rubric in the within the Blackboard, then there is often comments in there too. So be sure you read all of those. And if you have any questions, let me know, and have a great week.